Congratulations.
Record with this one. Record with this one. I mean, the first one. By your waist now, the 25 million don't need the chair. Leave the chair. Make you stand. Okay. Alright, so 95.1 Wazobia FM, the Gantios radio station will just do this macro 20 minutes. 6 more minutes remain, make 10 o'clock stand attention inside the studio. And then they play like a play. The people will make them to the final, the two bunga people will not love. So much, two of them there with me inside studio this macro 20 minutes. Bisola.
Good Mario, now the work what would they do?
They get we scatter the whole house. Scatter guy's head. You are wicked.
I'm not too wicked or scattered like that. I scattered.
You wicked. What do you do, guys? Oh, I can't do which side did that house. Say na me. And they tell you true. I can't do wish. Say I did there. Efe.
Yes, so.
Based on logistics. You don't see the guy with tattoo based on logistics on him back.
Oh,
you never see him? You don't see him?
I never see him.
With knife.
With knife.
Eh? Oh, but this is not there, though. Not there, though.
Based on logistics, right and full. I think I'm saying the guy will know well. He first write B. Ordinary to write B self, I no go fit. He write the full word based on logistics.
Wow. That's so much. Who I be?
Who I
be? April 9.
Hey, who I be?
Okay, so play. I know someone I don't expect this kind.
No, I'm not expecting
At all.
At all.
I
still never. Still they shock me. I still never realized.
Yeah,
I still the one that said no. I still joke.
Because Suzuka, I never feel sleep because
I never feel sleep. Like
I never even hold my phone since because I not just know where they are. Just where we Wazobia FM.
But really, I go give thumbs up to the guys that we handle on our social media.
Yes, so see them there, my own day.
Yes, so
that's
where
Sets and
yes. Now they might see well. Bisola, big ups to you too. Plenty people root. Plenty of your guys will come here. All of them root for. Plenty of them root for you. Surprisingly, then they say now either Bisola or Efe go win them. All of them from Tony to Bali to Basi. All of them. Soma, Urel too, Beyonce, all of them. All of them give them to both of them and say, now one of them go definitely win them.
Wow.
And then two of them come make them to the final.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. So now the finalists then be this. Plenty things happen for the house. If the realest guy, I ask your guy, say if he talks in 9 day real. The others they fake. Basi say anyway, that's what he thinks. He thinks we are not real.
You think, Jan? No. I just talk that one to remind myself. Say I read, so man not go do anyhow. Not for myself.
Not for yourself.
I read. I remind myself. That's what I do myself. When I want to remember something, like I did tell my name na Efe Money. That's for Instagram, my social.
Before.
Really? Yeah. My name is Efe and you mean wealth. For me, well, they ambiguous. For me too, not straight. So I add money. So they call me Efe or money.
Okay.
Yeah, so I join Efe Money based on logistics. But my music name is Efe. When I hear him say that money, that's how I remind myself or attract things to myself. Like if you read, if you go make money, that's the idea for me. And they help others to like when help me again. Now when they do that head of house salary, they pick the letters.
Yeah.
And they call the letters. I say come on.
Are you serious? Did you do this with your mouth?
So as I boss, I see H. I say no be H na A. Add the thing, bend the side, bend them. A come out. Jesus, A come out. Then you call me D and me and Deborah they find it. I say D today, God D today. Now I boss and open D. So I think what you say to yourself helps you in life.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So you need to say positive things to yourself. For those who they listen as they hurt.
Okay, for those where they listen and see they hurt, you don't hear them. When I come back, I go talk to Bisola. Before I step aside, come up from studio. No touch that dial. They come back this micro 20 minutes. Oh. All right. Yeah. I brought some, please. All right, so plenty messages they here. Nice one, guys. Hey, Efe, I love you, Bisola. Efe, money. They say when Mavi, so you don't leave your love. Yes, I need your money. Congrats. Bisola, one of my friends, see your video yesterday with where you talk about Tony, and then she said she love you more. I said, make woman no love you, make guys love you. I beg. I love you, Bisola, so much. Bisola, I love you. Bisola, I love you. Now what's happening? I love you, Bisola. Now waiting.
Oh my goodness.
Everybody, we love you both. Bisola, I love you.
Love you too.
Bisola, I love you. Everybody just say, shout, say, I love you, I love you, I love you too, Bisola.
I love you. Oh my goodness.
I love you, Bisola.
Oh, okay, Chiru.
I love you, Bisola.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow.
Bisola, baby.
Oh,
Okay, people love you. People love you. People love you.
Is it a CD?
Yes, he's CD, Abby.
Yes.
Just 1 minute. You go do me one favor, yeah? If you go enter. You can enter music department to just 1 minute. You go just greet them because of this music career. You know, say this word they different from that word where you come from.
Yes, sir. I'm funny enough. I was very new jam.
You don't give them.
Did you enter there?
I go enter them.
Enter just greet them. You know, as people they behave. You know, they not they behave like that, but just hail them. Bisola, we love you plenty. Bisola, we love you.
We don't commercial right now.
Yes, we don't commercial.
I might go greet them.
But quickly go greet them now. 3 minutes remain. Just quickly enter, greet them. I beg, take and go, make him greet. No, I don't put them for. I don't queue up. Bring another CD. No, you've given it to them now.
Okay, it's not around. Okay, it's for Wazobia.
But you should just greet
Then Masha just greet.
Just after the. Muna just show. Muna show, man.
I just gotta give my first interview.
No way.
I love to marry Bisola. No marry him, leave him.
I've never done it live before in my life.
This one is not fine.
Bisola not my wife. See people where they fight for you. Say you be their wife. That's not where my phone.
Give you 5 minutes.
Brush.
Okay, you see, thank you. Make I just read their comments. If I want you in the studio,
Thank you, His Excellency 101. Hey,
Bisola, you are the best. Bisola, will you marry my brother? Wow. I love you, Bisola.
No, but he said you were looking. He has come here before. It's not if he has come here. Now they thought he was an artist. He said he's with an artist. So I was looking at what the artist because now he goes to the artist.
Are you serious?
Comedian, I go do.
Don't touch that down. Thank you, Bisola. Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Have you seen you?
Blessed Irene. Oh my God. Oh, hey. Yes, Mr. Rabiepo, you write Ace there and I see him. Oh, this T-Ho Hem Ho. Tom Ho. This all I love from Shaman. But who? Thank you so much.
You know the way I be.
It's like.
Oh, it's like, hey, I don't know.
You know how you be.
And they need to have my dog one day with you. I had to have something for you. So I will just smile every time.
This how state you from?
Ogun State.
Your governor need to dash me. Plenty, sir.
They will look cute. All the ones what you sugar boo. Yes, so we are. Okay, you're back.
All right, so Bisola and everybody they ask you, say how far within tall Tony? The question where they hear today.
They ask now with your family. They ask with your family. Me I dey here. When you with your family, but I mean they shocked on that final day when they play those videos, some clips. Now I just see and I said, wow. It be like say Tony don't marry.
Oh, he be not wearing inside house.
He no wearing at all inside house. So now for the video we dey watch, all of us we sit down come say, oh my, be like say Three don't marry. See wedding band. So I'm like, Baba na actor. Nice one. The actor enter house, ask for everybody. But yeah, I just felt, be like say, okay, we don't dey close, we dey gist, we dey yarn. At least even if on a kum, if even tell me say, I get family, it will not be bad thing. Because like say they hide them.
But when you come here, you tell me, say, you tell you, saying get something when you want to tell you.
It's not something plenty, because even get one, yes, now something, now nothing.
You say like that thing be that thing.
I've got, but in no hints, no nothing. But it okay, now in game plan be that. Because see what I've been feeling saying, you want to tell me now, the secrets, that secret week where Big Brother been give us task of say in hold our secrets. So I've been feeling that one you want to, because I've been asking how far now, what's your secret? Tell me.
He say in secrets, but now what he tell me when he come here.
Oh, wow.
I ask him, he say in secrets, and then he be one talker. Then later Big Brother, I think all can say so, which means say no be only him get secrets. Everybody gets secrets. And so that's why he to just keep quiet. But he saying talk saying won't tell you.
And he do it true. So in defense, he tell me saying won't tell me some say when we come up for house. I say okay, no wahala.
When you come out, you don't know now.
When I come out now, I know. But that day I just say okay, nice one now. It's okay, nothing.
So if we are saying now, waiting happen on that bed sheet, you no go continue.
Waiting happen on that bed sheet.
Now as people tell me, or people they gossip give me. Then gossip give me things.
Well, me say if I don't hear those gossip where they say talk. But one thing I must let you know is that my show will go do. Entertainer na I be. Some things can be exaggerated sometimes.
I like them. I don't even mind those kind of exaggerations.
Some things can be exaggerated.
That's so gift you call me exaggerate her own. Give me here. Gift to exaggerate.
No, but that's true. Some things can be exaggerated beyond this thing. And me and Tony we dey close. That one I no go dispute that.
Balinko.
Bali na my nigga. Bali I don't even know anything, but Bali na my nigga. Now later they realize as analyst that she is. Come the young talk. I say, wow, really? But Bali na my nigga. I'm looking forward to working with him and stuff.
So now go continue waiting happen for back of door. You and Bali.
Waiting happen for
okay, now part of entertainment. I love this game. I love this game.
Yes, now everybody gets
now part of entertainment.
Now part of entertainment.
You too much. You too much. So Efe, how far?
I did.
You never come up cloth here today now. Because the last Friday party when I do way lie down for floor, I'm not gonna ever forget. It was one of the funniest when I see you. Where did they make you cry?
Listen, that same day they bring a job as my elder brother.
Yeah.
And the people they really say, when I say I be street, I mean how the money not today. So first when they don't fly me, my first time I go the entire plane go SA. I didn't even thank God for my family. Say a Jeba family, one person don't come out. Then they come bring my elder brother, he boss me and say, oh boy, this is all set. Then when it finish, when tell me say, oh boy, I don't retire now, your matter, see. And my elder brother die hard hustler, he do business, die. You know they compromise down for anything. For what he say, now my matter I did not like, damn, this is crazy. So I was like, who I be? I don't make paypots, shout out paypots and Big Brother. If you bring my elder brother come, chill him. You know, make him feel nice, and he can't be saying in birthday. I don't know which better.
Oh, in birthday too.
On the second, the next day, Sunday. So which better gift if you give elder brother way they mentor you, way they look up to on a very good day. So it was, the emotion has been deep, and you know they've been when you don't quaff. Now that thing will be you're really safe. And fortunately for me, sometimes when I quaff, I dey yarn. But that day I was just being honest, say who I be for this life. Where we say all the love, all the. We like only love, no, all these things just they happen. My brother just show, you know, he did say they do his birthday. And they do each time say my million, just they thank God for say she born me. Those kind of things, man, he boss my kidney, he boss my kidney.
Alright, so all of them, if like say all of them come gang up against T-Boss and I don't like her. I don't know what thing she do now. Two of them.
No, T-Boss don't get her own for
No.
Okay, all of them. Two of them plus Bali. And who else? Mavis. When I don't like T-Boss.
Not because I don't like T-Boss, but T-Boss get her own for body. T-Boss, every small thing. Yeah, they believe me and they look fast. Until you old now. You don't feel gauge for this life.
I don't be Nigerian.
Every small thing, say people they victimize. Every time she they like play that. So that's why they tell her, she was auntie, they like the lesson that you only pass. I not be you only pass. You they young. We don't say you they young. There's some things they do now on a kum they do. So that's one way when they form this thing. Me, you don't call me loud and aggressive. I go louder. If you vex me, I tell you straight up. So her own she get her own for body, but at the same time, we had our nice moments together where we go gist, we go laugh and things.
Yeah.
She get her own positive side where I like she sabi cook. That one trip me. I no believe say this one with all your everything, you sabi cook well. You know, she dey clean house well.
She dey clean.
She dey her own.
Hillary Clinton.
Clean thing.
Hillary Clinton.
She too clean.
Yeah, she too clean. Very, very clean. So those ones, they arrange stuff and all of that. So she get her own good side. So as me, if I get my own bad side as well.
But anyway, now the whole essence of the game be that make everybody feel do things.
For me, I like to separate the person from the character in the game. So as a person, she did alright, but her character, man, you know, go well. And we can't was saying that two different words, street and body. I try.
You try.
You go bounce out. I try. Not just they connect. So for me, man, the character for me not go down.
He said it in no work for that. Okay, but then Bisola, actor, you go join singing now.
I don't sing since. Actually.
Okay.
Now that when I first start, you just enter industry, but you know what? Now you say, Auntie, no be one road the enter market. Find
Yes,
another one.
But
So,
acting, music, which one again now?
every I would like to learn some kind of MC work from the Baba them where they do industry. So yeah, I would like to do
Everything go join.
Everything go join.
You did talented. She from Ogun State. All the Ogun State senators. Make una make this lady happy because whether you like her or not, this girl really make us proud.
Yes,
She make everybody proud, make everybody happy. And then Efe, on the streets now, you still the streets. I mean, you don't come out now.
Yeah, they catch me. I be one day, just when I reach airport, the security tell me, say, no, you need to follow back. I say, never. I must say my people, for what? So when I want to go, when we can't really pass the door, they can't, they push me, the crowd being heavy.
Man.
But I still won't greet there. Cause I never see believe say level, don't say. For me, I see the normal if you don't come out. So he pay me. I was, what did that word? Livid. With the guys. I had an altercation with him. You know why? Because he was trying to protect, he tried to protect me from the people.
Because when I don't know what's in the ground, that's
me, I
why.
say, leave me now. I'm not these people. Which level? I be like them. Now, no, I be them. So, like, which forming? Not forming. I not get forming to form nothing. As I didn't have to talk. As I did, I not get pef. We should come off from us. I never feel like I never try. They explain to her, say, I brush. My mouth feel the smell to this. This is not a fit. Try not D. Now, Dr. said shared with this. I say, man, not repeat share where I don't wear for there before they cost me for picture. Now, they said, give me last time. So, I'm not going to explain again. This is a fame, man. That's how I be. And by those being, that's how I go be. I want me understand, say, fame or money, you're not supposed to change who you be. Who you be now, who you be. Yeah.
Who you be
and
now.
The best thing is to improve on who you be. Like for the house, man, it teach me a lot.
It teach you a lot. All right, so one important thing where you learn from this house, Bisola.
To always believe in myself. Make I always push myself. Make I not look some things like say, I dey fear, I know if you do. So yes, the house really teach me say make I dey believe, they push, they go. Nothing where you know if you do for this life. As long as you put your mind to it. Now one of the things where I carry come for Big Brother Nigeria Hospital.
Okay, and then Efe, one of the things then where you learn for this.
Two things in my own. First, na the belief. Naturally, I've been believing myself. I don't come this station on several occasions. I see when I pass or greet based on logistics. But I understand say, and I know if it relates to me because based on logistics, na they different level. But it not determine. I mean, I said they come here. We come Ogbolo, Shore, beat us, Chris.
I hear it.
We put teams. They trek for the water. They go. But it not deter who I be. I believe in myself. But when I enter the house, I mean, the belief comes strong because it was a level playing field. No matter whether you get money or not, what is important now your kidney. And on that level, I know see a gallant for this. So it increased my belief die as I did so. Then secondly, now the tolerance. For me today where I did, most people they say my age, correlates with the way I behave. But it was more like I built a lot of principles at a young age because I want to achieve. So that's thing they made me not tolerate get characters that are unacceptable to me. But when I enter the house, I constantly say this person correct, but you get that character with
where you know that.
So how you want? You need to compromise so that on our blend because that's a correct person. So you go look beyond the person wrongs as in shortcomings. So I want to say if that person get my own and if that person tolerate me,
why you not go fit?
Yeah. So it make me can't open because me I did very enclosed. Waiting at the reason if they change my thoughts and my ideas, but now they're more open at the reason, I don't want to get some controversial issues with before. If you ask me straight, what do you think about this, I go clear you. But now I can understand say people get different views. And now they respect your opinion. But before I'm not saying based on logistics, but I thank God say.
So how far with Mavis?
Mavis day now. She did alright.
She did alright.
Yes, she did alright. But based I know you talk, she did alright. It's just like Bisola talk now for the house. The way you fall inside the house, 3 months, you guys are attracted to someone. I mean, I not going to deny myself of the free flow, say,
You like her?
I like her. And so it can't happen say she can't like me small, you know understand?
That girl na Kolo. She Kolo.
For the house, I'll be like, okay, this girl and kick her on road, it makes sense. But it was unfortunate that she has a boyfriend, so by now she will deal with her boyfriend.
Alright, so too bad. I go just do the last this thing, then go tell us what thing they happen this weekend. That they come back, not touch that dial at all. Your party, Abi?
Yes.
Jeez. You don't say when I say it. No, African Empowerment.
Nah, 10-10 they play.
10-10, yes.
MC comedian.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, thank you so much.
Yes, so what's up, my people? This is my fault. They call me if you right now. This weekend, comedian. And so, maybe lies based on logistics.
Okay, Bisola, take care of my real guy based on logistics. T-Boss can cry for Africa. They never know based on logistics. Bisola, greetings from hometown, gone. It's showing.
Oh my God.
Aloba on check.
Whoa.
Aloba on check. She they greet you.
Aloba on check. Nice one. You showing. Yes, so nice one. Thanks so much.
Okay.
Whoa.
Which one again? People,
so interesting.
People love Una Die.
Wow.
Live from France.
Wow.
Miss Olanche, you don't see. Okay. And then waiting be important. Okay. This is a logistic. Okay. Kai, yes. But you guys did well.
Thank you.
You guys did well.
For me, I enter as underdog. I look here. I don't get nothing to know, so if I wanted to please anybody or displease person, myself I did too. So if you do me at the Jan, nothing. Based on logistics.
It was fun.
When I hear the Bisola, 30,000 Instagram followers. I say, oh, Bob. I don't know nobody.
But give it up to your guys, so.
No. That's why. They know them from the house. Now them be the absent housemates.
You see that video when she went to you last year? She killed it.
No, my team. You don't need to thank them. The suffer what they don't know where they're not thank them, nothing.
So they were helping their family matter.
The passion of all of us now.
Shit. But because everywhere they know now waka. Buchigo come, Buchigo say knife.
We enter Yaba market. All the guys for Yaba. This is a presidential election. We know by one remove Barry already.
Is he not?
Plus, what do you name? Plus, I go die. Plus, my leg. Plus, God.
Even Ali on last.
Ali Baba. Ali first the canvas for Tony.
Even I would die.
Tony. Then later, I go attack him. Are you canvassing for Tony or you canvass for your worry boy?
I go die put sticker for
I go die has just one card. And that card is branded. One card. That card is 9. That's the only card he has.
I would die.
And he branded it. Maliki branded. How many people? Then the money. I say presidential election self not of rich like this.
26 million people voted.
She vote like check on our groupie. I like you. Check on my groupie. I love him at this.
Then people when they collect phone. I get one Scarlett. Scarlett won't keep people because of you.
We needed to see someone.
Scarlett is my baby. My baby is fire.
Scarlett.
Oh, my Scarlett.
I get one friend. She go just collect your phone. Bisola. What's in the talk? Oh God. That's why I beg. I beg. I don't make credit. I won't make call. I should just give her the phone. Bisola and I credit. Oh no, credit. You know go fit stop. You know, and you know go come fit vex. You know go fit. Go say, waiting now. You say no. I want to.
26 million people voted.
I want
26 million. I can't even wrap my head around this.
No, I never know anything. No, no, waiting.
When I was enter market, just enter market.
They give me this. I hear people waiting. My boss na here. Yesterday when I see I go die. He print down for him car.
And that's the only car he has. He branded that car. Escalade. He changed them to Efe. Paint them to Efe. From beginning to the end.
There's something they go do
No, he
something
gave back-
special.
And that's his only car. If to say even get two, if I even do understandable. Now, if he come out that your this thing, he go come go repaint in car. Because no how that thing go follow.
Follow paint.
Yes. He go follow paint.
Hey! Now God.
Maleke. Then you see. I've deleted. You see, what's his name? Osama.
Ah, that's my boss. Now that's my boss.
Osama. You just they make noise for just. They make noise for just. Every time Osama they live, you go say make I shout Efe.
No, Osama. Nine.
They say Casey and E-Money campaign for you too.
Yeah. It's set for me. I need to thank them. I mean,
Casey and E-Money.
But let me see.
No, you need to go to the house.
Yes, sir. Ah, I don't know they talk that one now. But this week now multi-choice I deal with. And then,
Yes.
So when we don't finish,
Alright, no alarm. Alright, so quickly make we just round up because then get other things than we they want to do. Alright, so Jejeli and Wiley, Efe and Bisola, what thing they happen this weekend?
yes, so on Thursday now our winners party, steady perfume, more than just turn up now for No Chill nightclub, Admiralty Way, Lekki, by 10 p.m. as the Mona show early so that we go fit see, relate. And so I want to just start a gift shout out to people who make this happen, from multi-choice to Heritage Bank. Payboy! Your preferred lifestyle! Yeah! Kingdom me. Meaning me, Go TV, African Magic, legend. I am legend! Yes, so then I will just round up by giving shout out to my Efe Nation and Team Efe at City Hall, then Africa, Lagos. Worry! Oh my God, craze for me for the just! Beef deal. Be like, just they say, now they if you pass. Only they say, now they if you pass. God bless all of now we put in our mind to this stuff. Mina, Abuja, Calabar, Uyo, Namibia, Zambia, South Africa, China. If I don't call names, this thing you know go finish you because you now plenty for my back, now make me win. God bless you guys. God bless you guys.
Your social media handle again?
Efe Money.
Efe
On
Money.
Instagram and Twitter, Efe Money. On Snapchat is Efe Matrix.
Efe Matrix,
Yes,
but
sir.
Efe Money on Instagram
and Twitter. Then Efe
Twitter.
Matrix on Snapchat.
Okay, and then Bisola quickly.
A major shout out to Payport, Coca-Cola, Indomie,
Yeah,
Mini,
Coca-Cola.
Chin, everybody. Thank you, legend. As soon as take support us for this Big Brother Naija show, my head just through this. I never still realize, you don't come out for that house now. So major thank you to everybody we support, we vote. All the Bisola now the work what we do. Anything what we do now the work what we do. Anything what you do, whether na market you do, whether na house now the work what we do. Every supporter God go bless you. As you are spending your money, God go dey bless you. You go they go hop. Amen. Thank you so much, man. Your girl is blessed. Your girl is loyal. Thank you.
Your handle.
My handle, Twitter and Instagram, Snapchat is I am Bisola at I am Bisola. On Facebook, now just Bisola Ayola, my name and surname.
All right, so thank you so much, Efe. Thank you so much. So now come with studio, and then I wish you now all the best. Bisola, I go jam.